Hello children. Let's see what are we going to read today. Today we'll read language and the name of the chapter is articles. So let's begin. So first of all, when I hear the word articles, what should come in my mind? Definitely a and the. Isn't it? We all have read this in our previous classes. Yes, the words a and the are called articles. Now, where are they used? They are used to indicate which person or things are we referring to in a sentence. When we want to indicate a person or thing, then we use articles. Clear, children? And always remember that they are used before singular nouns. Okay, children, whenever there is a singular noun, before that only we generally use these articles. Let's have a look at the examples. Cleopatra is a famous historical character. Brutus was an honorable man. Caesar was the ruler of Rome. So here you may find a, an and the in these sentences, and these all are my articles. Let's move on and let's have a look on its types. So what are the types of articles? Children, there are two types of article. The first one is indefinite articles. The second one is definite articles. So let's begin with indefinite articles. So what is indefinite articles? Let us have a look. A and an are indefinite articles. They refer to a person और थिंग इन जनरल. जब हम किसी इंसान या कोई सामान को एक जनरल वे में रेफर करना चाहते या इंडिकेट करना चाहते, देन वी यूज ए एंड. लेट्स हैव अ लुक. We use and before words that start with a vowel sound. Always remember children, if my word is starting with a vowel sound, like we may have a look at the examples like orange, apple, isn't it? These all are beginning with a vowel sound. Orange, orange, oh, isn't it? It is a vowel sound. Apple, a, I'm getting a. So that is why we are using an here. It is a vowel sound. We use a before words that start with a consonant sound. When you find or when you hear the word and it is you are getting a consonant sound there, children, then we are using a there. Clear? Like if we suppose, if we take an example like bowl, bowl, b, then it is said to be before that we are going to use a. Very important thing that we need to remember here, children. Generally children make mistake here, but if you remember this concept, definitely you won't make any mistake. Suppose a word is beginning with a vowel. Okay, suppose a word is beginning with a vowel like a, e, I, o. I hope you all know vowels, no? A, E. Let me write it so that you remember. A, E, I, O, U. Suppose my word is beginning with any of these things. Okay, but you found out that the consonant, but it is having, the word is having a consonant sound, then remember children, always use a before that. Okay, let's have a look at the example. For example, Paul is a European. Okay children, here you may find that it is beginning with E, isn't it? It is a vowel. Yes, we are very clear with that. But do you see that we are using A here? Why? Because it is having a consonant sound. Like we do not say European, European. No, we say European. So my consonant sound is coming as Y. That is why we are using A here. Clear or not? Once again, let me repeat it to make it more clearer to you. More clear to you. Like a word is beginning with the vowel. Like A, E, I, O, U. We know that. Yes. But it is when we are reading the word, no, then the sound coming out is of a consonant. Yes. So the word was European. But when I'm reading it, even if it began with a vowel, but the sound was consonant sound like European, YU. Clear? So that is why we will be using A here. Now we'll move to the next point. The same way, only vice versa, we can say. Like if a word begins with a consonant, suppose it is beginning with a consonant, the first alphabet is other than vowels alphabet, then it is said to be as consonant, but it is having a vowel sound. Clear? Then we will always use and there. Okay, children, we'll always use and before it. Let's have a look at the example. Vaibhav is an hour late. How do we pronounce R? We pronounce R as R, isn't it? We are getting the vowel sound or not in this word? Yes, we got a vowel sound. That is why before that we will be using an. Clear or not? Very easy, children. You need just remember the fact that depends on the sound. If it is a vowel sound, use an. If it is a consonant sound, use a. Simple. Yes? Now let's move to the next one. What was my next type, children? The next type was the definite articles. Now, earlier what we did, we were using a and an, like if there is any person or thing. But when we talk about a specific thing or a specific person, then what is used? The is used, and the is the definite articles, and it is used before a particular person or thing. Okay, when I know the person, or when the thing is very clear to us, then it is said, then we use the. Have a look at the example. The sun is shining brightly. Yes, there is only one sun, no? Definitely there is no other substitute, or like no other things like that. So there will be using the specific thing, specific. Second example, the class monitor gave us the teacher's message. Here also we know who is the class monitor. The teacher is also known to us. There the definite, like we know the specific person, then we are using the. Let's move on and let's have a look to the uses of the. Now where the is used, the first concept here is, like if we talk about the names of the rivers, okay, like it is always used before the names of the river. Like example, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Krishna, the Godavari, like that. Okay, before the names of the river we definitely use the second point comes, children, it is used before the names of the oceans and seas. Can you see the picture? Yes, this is my ocean or sea, like that. For example, the Atlantic Ocean, the Arabian Sea, Pacific Ocean. Yes, in the similar way. The third point, children, it is used before the name of mountain ranges. Like if you talk about any mountain range, like the Alps, the Himalaya, the Mount Everest, okay. Or if we talk about any desert, yes, desert, the Thar desert, the Indian desert, like that. We talk about the desert, then we'll be using the definite articles, that is the, the. The. Next, we'll have a look. Suppose the object, name of the object which are used, like they are only one of their kind, you won't find any other things like that. Like the sun, isn't it? There is any other similar things like sun? No. So we'll be using the sun. Or it can be moon. Yes, the moon. We always use the in front of these things. Next comes, it is used before the names of famous building like the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal. Clear? Last 2 points, it is used always with a superlative adjective. Earlier also when we were reading adjective chapter, I have already told you that before the superlative adjective we generally use the best student, the tallest boy, isn't it? And the last point here is, children, it is used in phrases like the first, the last, the only, like phrases like this, okay, like the first, the last, the only. For example, he was the first person to arrive, the first person, the first. Clear? Let's jump to the next point, that is omission of articles. Omission, कहाँ पर हम लोग articles नहीं लगाते. The places where we omit articles, we do not use articles in these places. Let's have a look. Articles are not used before the names of people, towns, and cities. We will not use any articles before any person's name, or if any town's name we are talking about, if or in any other city's place, or like that. Okay, like Rajesh wants to be a sailor when he grows up. We will not say the Rajesh, a Rajesh, and Rajesh. No, no, no. We will omit articles before the name of the person. London is the capital of England. Here also we will omit the articles before any town, cities, or place names. Next, they are not used before the names of days of weeks and months of year. Like if you are talking about the days of week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we generally do not use any kind of articles there. Plus, if we talk about the months, January, February, March, April, there also we do not use any articles. The third and the last point here, children, they are not used before the name of precious metal. Yes, like gold, diamond, platinum, we do not use any articles before that. This ring is made of gold. So here before gold, we have not used any articles. Clear? Thank you so much for watching my video. And always remember, children, please learn that where the word the is used. Okay, all the points please remember. Thank you.